everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm gonna go ahead and say ahead of time, I'm sorry for how my eyes look. The sun is like directly in my eyes, and I just don't feel like it's worth going inside to get my sunglasses. So sorry for the delay on the new video, but this video is about to be about the update on my Volkswagen Beetle, my 1968. Okay, so my plans with the Beetle has significantly changed. Okay, they've changed big time. So I've actually decided to start a new series of getting my car, my 1968 Volkswagen Beetle, ready to be given to my older brother for Christmas. I know it's a turn of events. A lot of people don't know the backstory on this Volkswagen, and we're not going to get into that. That's a personal thing. But the car sitting here at my house, it's not good for it. My brother has a different level of love for the car. So I'm in the position to be able to give my brother something, because my brother's done a shit ton for me in my life. He's always been there for me when I did dumb shit. He's been there for me when I've done good shit. And he's always been there to keep me straight. So what else could I give my brother? The car of his dreams, the car that I currently own, my 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. Sorry guys, now I just announced it, so just for the record, my brother already knows this. He does not truly believe that I'm gonna give him the car, but this is the video, this is the proof, this is me saying it publicly that this Beetle is about to be given to my brother. Now me and this car, I've owned this car for I want to say about 4 or 5 years. Don't quote me, but no, maybe three to 4 years. I can't really remember. But me and this car have had a lot of ups and downs. This car came into my life through somebody else that was really close to me at one point in my life. But this car right here has been a daily reminder of some mistakes that I've made in my life. I'm not going to get into the backstory of all this stuff, but it just brings up dark memories of my own. So I love this car. I love Volkswagens, but this car significantly right here, this brings up those old memories. So I don't feel like I'm treating the car as if what it deserves. So we're going to make this video of giving the update of the things that are to come. So a few things that are to come for this car is as follows. So the first things first, I've already got some parts ordered for the car. But as you can see, my door frame here, it's been messed up and got water exposed to it, and it kind of crumbled up. So I just went on and took it off. So I've ordered a new door panel for the car. But as you can see, the car actually does not have a lot of work that needs to be done to it. But we're going to get it ready nonetheless. We're going to clean it up. We're going to make sure that it's drivable and ready for my brother to cruise in it the moment he gets it. So another thing I'm gonna try to fix before then is this window. It actually came off the track. So if anybody in the comment can actually help me with that, it actually came off of this. So the window actually works. The mechanism for lowering and raising actually works still, as you can see, but the window has come off of this and I don't know how to glue it back. So if you do know how to, let me know. All right. So another thing. So the other thing that we got to get this car ready for is actually the engine. It needs a tune-up. It needs new spark plugs, and it needs probably a carburetor and fuel filter change. The car has actually been sitting for a couple years now. I would say almost 2 years, because I actually had bad tires on it. And I just, like I said, I lost love for the car, and I wasn't treating it as what it deserves in the condition that it's in. So already I was going to make another video on updating this, but I've actually already done it. But the car now has fresh tires. Oof. All the way around, all 4 tires. That was the main thing that I was worried about as far as drivability and being able to get around town in it, was the tires. So we have actually already replaced the tires. I do have more oil and spark plugs ready for it to go. But I actually told my brother we're going to wait until I get it at his house. So that'll be another video that I will do with my brother. My brother has agreed to be in the video, so you will see my brother's reaction to when he gets the car and when I do hand the title over to him. I've already asked him this because I wanted to make this series and I wanted people to see it, and I wanted there to be proof of what I'm doing with the car for others to see, because I know y'all don't know my backstory, but my brother and me have been through a lot in our life. My brother has always had my back, always been there for me. There was an incident with another car when we were kids, when neither one of us was really at a good financial situation, when my brother had to sell the car of his dreams and a car that I was in love with. He actually had to sell it because he couldn't afford to maintain it. So now I'm in a different situation financially. He's in a different situation financially. And now we have the ability to have these fun cars. So why not give something to my brother and give him his car of his dreams from when we were kids. So most people who are into these cars know where the love came from. Herbie the Love Bug, Disney movie. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. And not the one with Lindsay Lohan in it. Please watch it. But that's where my brother's love for these cars actually came from. So I'm going to be giving him the car of his dreams, and I'm going to give back to somebody who's given a lot to me, all right? So there's a few things that I want to update, but I don't really want to go through the process of opening this whole situation. We'll get into that later. It doesn't like popping open when you pull the lever. I don't know how to fix that. But one thing that I do need to fix before I give it to my brother, which is very cheap, which I've already ordered, is actually the fuel level mechanism that reads the fuel level. It's actually reading like a quarter tank off, which causes you to run out of gas if you ain't paying no attention. So just to make sure that my brother doesn't run out of gas, we're going to replace that for him, okay? All the doors open and closed, so there's no issues there. The car's ready to go. So only thing that I've told my brother that I will not fix, and he will have to fix it, is the tint. The car does have tint on it. You actually supposedly have to pop the windows out just to get the tint off the correct way. I do have all the new seals, but good luck finding a tint guy who can do that for you. I only know of one, and he's in our hometown in Bardstown, Kentucky. He has agreed to do it for us, but I just don't feel like I need to pay that price. If my brother wants it removed, then he can do it himself. I love him, but I don't love him that much. Sorry. I'm giving him a $15,000 car for free, so he'll be happy regardless. But part of the deal with this car also, because this car was mine, I did put a lot of money into this car. This car is my brother's. It will be in his name. I will transfer it to my brother in his name. But if he ever wants to get rid of it, because my brother is a car collector, he has to give it back to me. That was the deal. That's the agreement that we have agreed on, and I'm going to stick to it. This car, come December or January, will be in my brother's name. I will videotape the whole thing. I will be handing him the title regardless on Christmas Day. He just does not believe me when I say it, but it's happening. So just stay tuned. This is my update for my Volkswagen, and just stay tuned. We're going to have another car coming to the channel. I think it'll be way more loved than this Volkswagen, even though Volkswagens are very loved. Don't get me wrong. I love this Volkswagen. But there will be more cars coming to the channel. And we will also be returning this truck to the channel here soon. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all. That was my update on what's been going on. Sorry I've been quiet. The reason why I've been quiet is I've been seriously contemplating this idea, and I didn't want to make the wrong decision. And I do feel like I have officially made that decision, and I've made the right one. So please stick with me. There will be a series of videos that are going to be coming between now and December of me trying to get this car ready to go to my brother's. My brother lives in about an hour and 45 minutes away from me, so he probably will tow the car there because that's just how he is. The car is totally capable of driving that far, but he's not going to drive it. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching, and as always, hug someone if you can, because you never know what obstacle or dilemma that person could be going through, and you never know what that one little small interaction, that 1 minute of your life could do for somebody in their life. So from your boy Jamal J, peace out, much love.